Hello my little sweet bunnies. How are you? Welcome to our channel, E-Learning for Kids. For more videos, please like, subscribe and share. So today we are going to learn different shapes. Are you ready? Let's start. So first shape is circle. Circle has no side. Let's have a look some examples of circle. Coin, clock, wheel, cookie, button. So kids, remember, these all are the examples of circle. Now, the next shape is triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Let's count. 1, 2, and 3. Let's have a look some examples of triangle. Cone, a slice of pizza. Sandwich, tent, cheese. So, kids, remember, these all are the examples of triangle. Now, the next shape is square. A square has 4 sides. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 equal sides. Let's have a look some examples of square. Box, chessboard, biscuit, dice, carom board. So, kids, remember, these all are the examples of square. Now, the next shape is rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 sides. Let's have a look some examples of rectangle. Book, television, door, almirah, pencil box. So, kids, remember, these all are the examples of rectangle. Now, the next shape is Pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 sides. Let's have a look some examples of Pentagon. House, open envelope. Signage. Gemstone. Sections on a football. So, kids, remember, these all are the examples of Pentagon. Now, the next shape is Hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 sides. Let's have a look some examples of hexagon. Nut. Jar. A spider web. Floor tiles. Honeycomb. So, kids, remember, these all are the examples of hexagon. Now, the next shape is star. Let's have a look some examples of star. Starfish. Earrings. Trophy. Sunglasses. Candy. So, kids, remember, these all are the examples of star. Now, the next shape is diamond. Let's have a look some examples of diamond. Ring. Kite. Button. Road sign. Hand weeder. So, kids, remember, these all are the examples of diamond. Now, the next shape is oval. Let's have a look some examples of oval. Watermelon. Egg. Mirror. Balloon. Lemon. So, kids, remember, these all are the examples of oval. So, kids, let's try to recall some of the shapes that we have learned. Are you ready? Let's start. What shape is the sandwich? The shape of the sandwich is triangle. What shape is the trophy? The shape of the trophy is star. What shape is the coin? The shape of the coin is circle. What shape is the chessboard? The shape of the chessboard is square. What shape is the egg? The shape of the egg is oval. What shape is the spider web? The shape of the spider web is hexagon. What shape is the kite? The shape of the kite is diamond. What shape is the television? The shape of the television is rectangle. What shape is the signage? The shape of the signage is Pentagon. I hope you enjoyed this video and learn about different shapes. Please like and subscribe my channel for more such learning videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.